Hey everybody, and welcome back to my A to Z European adventure. I hope you enjoyed the last video in this series in Dublin. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates when new videos are released in this series. Today I'm in a city known for its historic castles, breathtaking landscapes and a whole lot of Scottish charm. Welcome to Edinburgh, Scotland. Today I've got three classic Scottish experiences lined up. Firstly, I'm going to be trying a local dish, I'm going to be visiting an iconic Edinburgh landmark, and finally sampling a local Scottish beer. But when in Edinburgh, why not try a local whisky as well? Are you ready to dive in? I'm going to show you around Edinburgh and everything that it has to offer. Okay, so it's now time to eat some local cuisine, and what is more local in Scotland and in Edinburgh than haggis? I'm here at the Gourmet Mash Bar, which is on Bank Street in the old town of Edinburgh. So let's head inside, check out the menu, and we will order some haggis. So here is the haggis, neeps and tatties that I've ordered. Neeps are turnips and then tatties are mashed potatoes. Then you've got the haggis there. This is a taster menu rather than it being a full meal, but it does look really filling, so let's get stuck into this. This is really delicious. The haggis has got a bit of a kick to it. I guess that's some kind of pepper, herbs in there. And the neeps and tatties are really soft, really well seasoned. So I'm going to carry on with this and I will bring you back at the end. I am absolutely stuffed. Even though it was a taster menu, it was really filling and really delicious. So I'm going to move on now to my second task, to visit a local landmark. I wonder if you can guess where that's going to be. Next up is Edinburgh Castle, one of the city's most iconic landmarks, sitting on top of Castle Rock. This fortress has been a royal residence, a military stronghold, and now a top tourist attraction. Edinburgh Castle dates back to the 12th century and has witnessed countless events in Scottish history. It's also home to the oldest surviving building in Edinburgh, St Margaret's Chapel. So it's now time for my favourite part of the video. We're going to try a local beer, and why not, whilst in Edinburgh, have a whisky. We're going to go inside here at Deacon Brodie's Tavern on the Lawn Market. So let's go inside and see what local beers and whiskies they've got on offer. Holyrood Pale Ale with a fruity taste. Now for the whisky, cheers everybody. Not much of a whisky drinker, but we'll give it a go. Freezing outside, it's like 2 degrees Celsius, so this I'm sure will warm me up. have a quick look around. So that's my 3 tasks completed. I've done all these in the old town of Edinburgh, so I'm now making my way back over to the new town over the bridge. And as I was approaching, I noticed that the Christmas markets had started. This was in November when I visited Edinburgh, and the Christmas markets had just opened. So here's a little glimpse of the Christmas markets here. I do have a full video on my channel you can look at to experience the full Edinburgh Christmas market. There's a link up at the top and also in the description. Well, that's my time in Edinburgh come to a close. I hope you've enjoyed exploring this beautiful city with me. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you visited Edinburgh and what you enjoyed about it. But the adventure isn't over yet, so I'm going to be hitting a city or a town beginning with the letter F in my next video. And I wonder if you can guess where I'm going to be going. Leave a comment down below with your guesses as to where I'm going to be travelling for the letter F. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you get updates when I release new videos. And I will see you in the next one.